Yo, I know I look mad crazy right now. Man has been working like the whole month and the half, basically. So, um, I didn't post in a while, and I don't think I'll be posting a lot these past few days. But I was planning on making a series, which is my way to fund it. You know, But it is crazy from what I'm seeing, right? The results and everything, the strategy and everything is exhausting. So now I'm currently in three trades, two sells and one buy. Bitcoin buy, gold sell, USDJPY sell. Let me show you that. I don't know if you're gonna see it, but if you know what I'm saying, it's fine. I'm gonna make sure you're gonna see it. But let's flip the camera to the screen, right? So that you guys can see what I'm seeing. What you're looking at, let me try to position the camera and make sure everything is gonna be stable. I'm sorry about the background noise. Kids around. And I'm only recording because I'm off today. So what you're looking at, this is gold. I'm using support and resistance plus fibs. And I was actually watching fade. Let's do one of these. Let's get back to here. So I'm waiting for price to go here and then all the way to this area and then dumps again. I caught the sell, which is I entered around here and then I got out here, which is I was kind of mad. So let me try to show you again because now I'm seeing this. So you see, I'm in gold sell now, which is I'm selling in wait, focus bitch. Wow, focus man. So I am selling a pullback, which is this is a pullback, and then I expect market to come all the way to 38 to 30, and then I will buy from here all the way here, and then from here I'll sell again. So the support and everything is persistent, which is to this analysis that I made on XNES, which is on my demo account. Here you can see we bounce off here and we bounce off here. And I've been working out. Jesus, man. Oh, Jesus, man. Look. So I'm currently waiting on price to reject and come to this 50% right there. Here. I want to buy all the way here and then sell all the way again to here, all the way to here. But we're gonna see what gold is capable of, what gold's capabilities. But now I had to mark the reason I took a sell is because of what happened today, which is I use the fib like in today's data, not yesterday or day before. I'm just using today's data so that I can see a pullback that can potentially happen today. So what we're seeing today is Tuesday. So you're gonna see it, yeah. The fuck? Where is this thing now? 30th of December. Is my time frame wrong? Oh, it's the 30. As it says 29. So 30 starts from this line, which is the black line. Then I mark here and mark here, which is I'm waiting for a pullback, right? All the way to this low right there. But now it's hitting support and potentially it's not gonna hit my take profit, my ideal take profit, which will be $20. And you can see this is a pro firm account. I forgot to show that. This is a pro firm account. So it's not easy, man, trading these things because it's a lot of emotion involved. And USDJPY, I've been selling that. Bitcoin buys, and I also overtraded yesterday. Let me show you the history last week. I didn't for the first time. This is today's loss though. Today, yeah. This is today's loss. I bought early, I realized that, then I decided to sell again so that it can go to where it's supposed to and then buy again. But yeah, I sold early, that's why I bought early before. That's why I actually in these losses, because I supposedly to buy when the market reaches here or here, but it hasn't reached none of the stuff. So now I'm waiting for my price to come all the way here, and then from here I'll buy all the way to here up. Yeah. So it goes to say, whatever you do in the markets, it's like it's always gonna reflect on based on what how you feel and how you handle certain situations. So now I'm learning to speak more. I'm working. I'm in an environment where I'm working with a lot of guys, which is they speak English all the time. So now I'm trying to adapt, grasp in every way possible that I can actually speak fluent English without saying but, or if you know what I'm saying. So what you're seeing right now is gonna be me practicing. My video is gonna be a little bit longer. Don't know what about this. I've been drinking drink pop, so it's fine. That's a Classic Chronicles. So now we at $11. Each trade is at $11, but it's fine. Now I have to make $500 and then pass phase one, then another $250 to pass phase two. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but I wish it goes the way that I would like. But if it does go the way that I would like, potentially I can pass phase one later on this week. Yeah. Yeah. So again, sort of a disturbance, but again, I'm seeing something different on what is this? Euro USD. Euro USD gave me that high and a low and a pullback that I would have wanted, and then now it's gonna go all the way here. Now I'm seeing opportunity that I must close Bitcoin and then continue with the rest. If I close Bitcoin, then it'll be fine. Uh Gold, also gold position, I think they must be closed. So Bitcoin, I'm expecting this same thing as gold. I'm expecting a whole major pullback, but I'm thinking uh I should put Bitcoin on break even, and then whatever happens. Then gold situation is fine. God, I know for in fact, not for in fact, I know by the analysis that gold is bouncing off this support, and then it can potentially do what I actually need it to do. This is just to be what I mean. Sorry, let's go on gold. Gold is reacting on this support exactly where I would like, going where I initially had targeted, which is bounce off in this. Sometimes we have to also understand that the fib tool doesn't really like always be on point all the time, but that's when I use fib and support. So I can see now we're bouncing off support, which is good, it's great. Then I can potentially hold this trade all the way here unless I got scared. And then now we're gonna see that my line of support is a little bit higher, which is I would like something in between of if it come all the way in the inside, I would like a week and then the market reverse. But I don't know how long this trade is gonna take. Let's see if we have some news or not, so that I can potentially really wait for to see. Actually, I can just go to sleep and see what happens next, basically. Give me a second. Let me open a tab for the news. So this is where I usually check my news, right? Not really. I just started because this one is way detailed, so I like the detail in it. So let's see. What's the time now? It's 11 a.m. Uh, so all the 10 news have passed. So it's 11 a.m. So I'll be expecting a little bit of CPI. Because I don't know what country it is in Brazil. All the news all the way. Because if I would have checked the news here, Forex Future just give you a little bit summarized news, which is you won't know why the market is spiking at 11 a.m. or moving rapidly. You just need to see a detailed one. So which is this is the detail, which is where Forex Future doesn't really say this is important, but this one shows every news. So these are the news that I'm expecting today. But I'm thinking of going to sleep. Gold is actually moving in my direction, which is I already bought. I'm going to show you guys in a second. Hey, I don't know how I trade, but I don't know how to vlog either. So I'm just doing the best that I can. I'm sorry. So let's just wait for this to load because it's loading now. So I did end up closing the trade on gold because it was reversing rapidly. And when I checked here, it was bouncing off this support. So that's why I've closed. So I'm at $27 loss. I'm at $22 profit. I'll enter the trade on Euro USD. Uh, I'm in a trade on gold, Bitcoin, and the USD GPY. I'm thinking of closing these two and then let these two run. I don't know. I really do not know. But yeah, I think the part of the vlog is done. I'm gonna show you what happened later on in the day if I ended up closing everything or what happened. But I'm gonna close this too because I just wanna be in a good headspace if I'm really doing something wrong or not. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. So what have happened on gold today, right? Remember, I was buying gold to a certain point and then I'll be selling gold to a certain point. So what I was expecting was I was testing the FIP levels, which is to actually understand what I'm actually currently like doing, which is I want to trade understanding the FIP tools because some the FIP tools are the random tools that I took on TikTok and then formed them into my strategy, which is support and fib, which is support and Fibonacci. Those two. I don't know if you ever heard of that, which is I draw my support zones and then use the Fibonacci tool to actually validate my supports and my reversal areas to my supports. So I'm gonna flip the screen around and then you guys are gonna see a detailed one, which is of what have happened during the day, which is today. Yeah, let me record on my computer so that you guys can see what I'm actually talking about. Is it? Okay, cool. Everything is working. So give me a second. Give me a second. So I'm sorry about the camera legs because I'm actually doing this around quarter past 9 basically. But I'm just testing this out, you know, feel what I'm saying? So I think I should just switch off the camera, it's fine. Because it's lagging, which is, it's like they are all connected by the internet, which is it's fine. So, when I do this, so as you know, I was currently, so gold, I bought here, exactly this area, targeting something along these lines, and then sell off to here, right? Not really there, but I'm just gonna show you why. That was my last support basically. So today, now I'm in a current trade. Oh no, you cannot see it, it's fine. Alright, let me try to switch on the camera again. You're not gonna see it properly. Oh Jesus. This thing, I hate this thing. Okay. Oh no. That's fine. I'm just gonna do a screenshot, it's fine. So what you're seeing right now is gold targeting exactly here. Is it this price that should return TP? There's not much to go info to go on here, which is now we are acting based on support, our last support, and so yeah, this is Xness, my trading view, Xness trading view, and it says demo. Remember, I'm not trading a demo. I'm trading the demo plus a prop firm. So the price went all the way to 38.20. That's where we take our entries and we take our second entries on 23. I was genuinely looking to get more experience in this because I didn't understand it first. So I thought in my head where like the entries I'm supposedly to take entries at in between 23 and 38. I thought I was supposed to take entries there, but I wasn't supposed to. As soon as it hits 23%, and then I'm taking the entry there. So which is now that's a new thing that I have learned during this trading thing. So it's not thing, man. Sorry. So this is my support. Uh, my support was never respected, and then this is my last low of today, which is today is Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, and this is my low on Tuesday, which is 33rd. You can see it here on the low, if you can see it. Only if you can see it, because also the camera might be, yeah. So this is my new low, and then my high, then waited for a pullback. My pullback was supposing to be on this support at 38, which is I will be buying at 38. I was supposedly to be buying at 38, but I couldn't buy on 38 because market didn't give me a proper entry. But I was able to find a position, which is I was able to make like, let's see. I ended up making $68 on gold, right? Which is a good thing. So now the trade is done. I'm expecting gold to come all the way here on the support at 38. And then from here, we're closing all the position. Obviously, I'll be asleep at that time because I'm going to work tomorrow morning. So my take profit is on the support. No questions asked. It's just on the support, just like that. And yeah, I don't think there's much to say, but I'm gonna be fixing this quality thingy. But I don't know, it's out of my hands because I'm using a Wi-Fi. So they actually transmitting using Wi-Fi basically. So my phone is streaming on OBS basically. So I'm sorry about that. So I'm trying to give you authentic content so that you can actually see what I'm seeing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's that. What else? Bitcoin, did analyze Bitcoin on TradingView. The reason I analyze on TradingView is because my phone, the one that I'm carrying it at work, because I have two phones, which is this phone and this phone. I don't carry this phone together. I leave this one at home because this is my main phone. So Bitcoin gave me an entry. I'm in an entry on Bitcoin as we speak. Bitcoin, I saw it here. I don't know. I was supposed to enter here and somewhere in between these lines, but I knew what needed to be done. So basically, I only took a trade around here. Now I'm at $11. No, not 11. I'm at $9, targeting $30. So I'm targeting here on Bitcoin. So let's see, where did I enter? Go on 30 minutes time frame. This is that candle. Oh shit! Entered very late on Bitcoin online. That's my Bitcoin analysis. That's where I'll be targeting Bitcoin to go to, and my take profit is set. No, not that. All the way here. 30 minutes. What do actually? Is it 86? Why is it showing me 86 now? Now I'm trying to think, guys. Give me a second. Okay. Now I'm seeing a different thing. My MT5 says my take profit is $136. 136. How? Yeah, it says 136. I thought it was 30, and I'm only risking 36 or $35, which is okay. It makes sense. It makes sense. But yeah, with all that being said, gold is currently in profit, which is $10. I don't know if I'm doing a good thing doing this online. Everything is here, so I'm expecting gold to come all the way here, and then it's a take profit, no go. That is a good thing, which is now I'm done trading for the rest of the day. And I took how many trades? I overtraded today online because a friend of mine came through, and then we saw certain setups, and then we were able to take advantage of that, which is a good thing. So I'm sorry, bro. I kind of overtraded today, but wherever that leads, in God's way, in God's we believe, in God's grace we shall make it. In God's grace we shall make it because He loves us all. With that information being said, goodbye. I will see you guys when I see you. Because I don't think I will be in this PC anytime soon.